back with KCB Kitchen today, and we have a recipe for bariatric peanut butter and jelly.
We chose to do a no sugar added peanut butter. You can do almond butter if you would like, any other kind of nut butter as well.
And then we are using our Journey collagen protein powder. You can use chocolate or vanilla. I've made this with vanilla. I actually haven't made it with chocolate yet, but I can't imagine that mixing chocolate with peanut butter would be a problem.
Right.
So you can do either flavor. And we're just gonna do 1 scoop of the protein powder added to the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
It's gonna look a lot powdery, but as you mix it, it will start to blend. And then to help with the consistency, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of water.
And depending on how much peanut butter or how much protein powder you ended up with at the end, you can kind of adjust the amount of water that you add to it slowly. If you need to add a little bit more to make it a little smoother, that's totally fine. And then we bought carb balanced tortillas. These are just little Street Smart tortillas here. We're gonna add the peanut butter to the tortilla. And it's gonna be a little heavy on the peanut butter, but that's where the protein is, so.
And the peanut butter will help keep you full between meals as well. That good healthy fat.
You also have the option to just eat the peanut butter without the tortilla and add the strawberry to it by itself too. You don't absolutely have to have the tortilla,
Put
but
the peanut butter in the bowl with the strawberries on top and just eat it as it is.
yeah. And so we're adding 1 strawberry, that's just 1 sliced strawberry to the top. But again, if you have some sugar-free preserves or something at home that's lower in carbohydrate that you really like personally, then you can go that route too. And there's about 25 grams of protein in just one of these and about 20 grams of carbohydrates. So this isn't something that you want to start on, the first month or so after surgery because you don't quite ready for that level of carbohydrate. But if you're further out and you're just kind of following the basics, then this would be a really good breakfast option
Or lunch or dinner, anything.
So
Well, let us know if you try it.